Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC development over the past weeks. In this release, prospects for UST Transport in Russia. UST Incorporated received a new certificate of compliance. Uterra Middle East Agro Industries at the Agricultural Exhibition in Sharjah. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. The UST Incorporated Media Center released a big paper on the development of string transport with participation of experts from various industries. Together with them, the team learned about the prospects for UST transport in Russia, how innovations are perceived in the public sector, and how much they will be in demand in the regions. The UST Incorporated Media Center announces that the company has once again successfully passed the procedure of confirming the compliance of the current health and safety management system with the requirements of ISO Standard 45001-2018. Uterra Middle East Agro Industries presented an innovative bioorganic fertilizer at ALD. This event is one of the most important initiatives of the Sharjah Chamber of Commerce and Industry, aimed to promote the growth and development of agriculture in the Emirates' eastern and middle region. As a result of the exhibition, it was possible to increase the recognition of Uterra among farmers and government representatives, as well as to agree on cooperation with big companies. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you next time.